Hello everyone. I am Dr. Gurumurthy, Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Arts and Science, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. Today we are talking about General Chemistry 1, Unit 2, Basic Concept of Hydrocarbons. First of all, you have to know inductive effect. The polarization of sigma bond due to the electron withdrawing or electron donating effect of adjacent groups or atoms is called inductive effect. Inductive effect, the polarization of sigma bond due to the electron withdrawing or electron donating effect of adjacent groups or atoms is called inductive effect. One feature of inductive effects, it arises due to electronegativity differences between two atoms forming sigma bond. It is transmitted through the sigma bonds. The magnitude of inductive effect decreases while moving away from groups, causing it. It is permanent effect. It influences the chemical and physical properties of compounds. Inductive effect weakens away along the chain and is significant beyond the third carbon atom. The types of inductive effect, there is a two types. One is a negative inductive effect minus I. The electron withdrawing nature of groups or atom is called a negative inductive effect. It is indicated by minus I. The following are the example of groups in the decreasing order of their minus I effect. NH3 greater than NO2 greater than Cn greater than SO3H greater than CHO greater than CO greater than COH greater than COCl greater than CONH2 greater than F greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I greater than OH greater than OR greater than NH2 greater than C6H5 greater than hydrogen. Positive inductive effect, it means plus I. It suffers the electron releasing nature of groups and atoms. It is donated by plus I. The following example of groups in the decreasing order of their plus I effect. CCH3 tries greater than CH3 twice greater than CH2, CH3 greater than CH3 greater than H. Why alkyl groups are showing positive inductive effect. Now the CH bond is practically considered as a non-polar. There is a partial positive charge of hydrogen atom and a partial negative charge of carbon atom. Therefore, each hydrogen atom attacks electron donating group. The cumulative donation turns alkyl moiety into electron donating group. Application of inductive effect. Stability of carbocations. The stability of carbocations increases with increase in the number of alkyl groups due to their plus I effect. The alkyl groups release the electron to carbon bearing positive charge and stabilize the ion. The order of stability of carbocation is stability of carboanions. However, the stability of carboanions decreases with increase the number of alkyl groups. since electron donating alkyl groups stabilized carbanions by and increase the electron density. Thus, the order of stability of carbanion is below the order. Acid strength of carboxylic acid and phenol. The electron with the trying group minus I decreases a negative charge on the carboxylate ion and thus stabilizing it. Hence, acidic strength increase the minus I groups are present. However, the positive it means positive I groups decrease the acidic strength. For example, the acidic strength increases with the increase of the number of electron withdrawing fluorine atoms as the follow the law. CH3COOH less than CH2FCOOH less than CHF2COOH less than CH3COOH. The formic acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid since the CH groups destabilize the carboxyl ion. Resonance. When the compound can be represented as by more than one Lewis structure, and actual structure is a hybrid of all this structure, the compound is said to possess the resonance, also called mesmerism. Actual structure of a molecule is called a resonance hybrid. Canonical structure, it means a resonance structure. All the properties of compound cannot be explained by the single structure. The canonical structure or resonance contributing structure different the position of electrons. The delocalization of electrons leads to decreases in the potential energy of molecule. There is a canonical structure of benzene. The right side is resonance hybrid structure of benzene. The resonance and the mesmerism. The resonance hybrid is more stable than canonical structure. The resonance structure is imaginary. Resonance energy, the actual energy of hybrid minus energy most stable contributing structure. The resonance is measure of stability. Rules for drawing the resonance structure. The relative position of nuclei should remaining unchanged. All the canonical forms do not contribute equally in the benzene. All the contributing structures should be bona fide Lewis structures. The electrons always move away from the negative charge. Arrows should be drawn to indicate the direction of movement of electron. The resonance structure, the increase in the electron density at the one position with the corresponding decreases at another position is called resonance effect. There are two types of resonance. It means plus resonance. It means positive resonance. Another one is in minus resonance. It means negative resonance. The groups attached with donate the electrons source plus resonance effect, while groups attached with withdrawing electrons source minus resonance effect. This is an example of resonance associated negative resonance. Substituted benzene plus or effect on amino groups of benzene minus or effect of nitro groups in benzene. This is a resonance structure of plus R and minus R of resonance effect or mesmeric effect. The mesomeric effect is defined as a polarity produced in the molecule by the interaction of two pi band or between a pi band and a lone pair of electrons present on the adjacent quantum. Symbolized by M or R. The negative resonance or mesomeric effect. It shows substitution or groups are withdrawing electron by delocalizing mechanism for the rest of molecule and donated by minus I or minus M or minus R. The electron density on the rest of the molecular entity is decreased due to the effect. For example, nitro group, carbonyl group, carboxylic group, etc. Positive resonance or mesomeric effect. The groups shows positive mesomeric effect when they release the electron to the rest of molecule delocalization. These groups are donated by the plus M or plus R due to the effect of electron density on the molecular entity is increased. For example, OH, OR, SH, SR, NH2 and NR2, etc. What is the application of resonance effect or mesomeric effect? The nitro group NO2 is a nitrobenzene, so the minus M effect due to the delocalization of conjugated by electrons, as shown below. Note that the electron density on the benzene ring is decreased, particularly on the ortho or para positions. See this slide. This is the reason for why the nitro groups deactivates the benzene ring towards a electrophilic substitution reaction. The phenol, the OH groups shows plus M effect due to the delocalization of one lone pair of oxygen atom towards the ring. The electron density on the benzene ring is increased, particularly on the ortho and para positions. So the slide. Again, phenol is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. The substitution is favored more at ortho and para positions. The amino, the NH2 groups in the aniline also exhibit the plus R effect. It releases the electron towards the benzene ring through delocalization. As a result, the electron density of benzene's ring increases, particularly ortho and para positions. Those aniline activates the ring towards the electrophilic substitution. It's also worth mentioning that the electron density on the nitrogen on aniline decreases due to the delocalization, which is the reason for less basic strength when compared to ammonia and alkyl amines. The resonance involves the delocalization of pi electrons, leaving the sigma bond untouched. However, in some cases of sigma bond and adjacent pi bond may get involved in the resonance. Such a delocalization is called a hyperconjugation. Stabilization effect of molecules, interaction of sigma bond and with pi network. When the carbon possessing at least one hydrogen is attached to another carbon, to pair the unshared orbital or to the unsaturated carbon, there are more than one structure. It means canonical form possible for molecule. The result from the overlap of bonding electrons of CH sigma bond with 2p or pi bond orbitals of the adjacent carbon atom as a result of bond between the carbon and hydrogen does not exist anymore. The shared pair of electrons is now bound by caching carbon alone, and hydrogen is closer to the proximity as a proton. The negative charge of developed on the carbon get delocalized by overlap with the adjacent p orbital. That is a hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation means another name is a no bond resonance. The electron of sigma bond between carbon and hydrogen are involved in delocalization. The structure of right, the no bond between carbon and hydrogen due to the migration of sigma bond, hence hyperconjugation is called as no bond resonance. This does not indicate the hydrogen is in completely detached from the structure, but some degree of ionic character of CH bond and some sigma, some single bond character between the carbon-carbon double bond. Such an interaction is also referred as a heterovalent or a sacrificial conjugation. There is no named because of contributing structure containing the 1 to electron bonds less than the normal Lewis formula of the compound. At the present, there is no evidence for a sacrificial hyperconjugation with a neutral hydrocarbon. Alkenes and their stability, the overlap of sigma bond, CH bond with pi orbital of adjacent carbon-carbon double bond, the gives rise to canonical structure. The delocalization of electrons occurs over three nuclei and the stabilize of and the alkenes. There is a pi bond, there is a sigma bond. See the structure. Bond length. Hyperconjugation leads to starting of sigma bond. For example, carbon-carbon bond is in 1, 3 butadiene and a methyl acetylene is 1.46 Armstrong in length, much less than compared to the 1.54 Armstrong found in saturated hydrocarbon. For butadiene is can be explained by the normal conjugation of two alkyl parts, but for methyl acetylene, the hyperconjugation between the alkyl and alkyl parts, inhibition of steric hindrance SN2 reactions are particularly sensitive to steric factors since they are greatly retarded by steric hindrance at the site of a reaction. In general, the order of reactivity of alkyl halides in SN2 reaction is a methyl greater than primary and secondary. The tertiary alkyl halide also crowd that do not generally react by SN2 mechanism. Hydrogen bonding. And hydrogen is bonded to highly electronegativity atoms such as nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. The bonding electron pair is drawn towards the electronegativity atom. That is a bonding electron cloud. So hydrogen is has no inner shell electron and is very small in size. The positive charge density developed is high. The nucleus of hydrogen atom is exposed to attraction of by near electron cloud, a lone pair of electrons and then electronegativity atom. The definition of hydrogen bonding: electrostatic attraction between hydrogen atom bonded to small and strongly electronegativity atoms, for example, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine, and the one pair of electrons on this electronegativity atom. That is hydrogen bonding, hydrogen and fluorine between the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is electrostatic attraction between hydrogen atom bonded to small, strongly electronegativity atoms and the lone pair of electrons of these electronegativity atoms. Essential requirement for formation of hydrogen bond. Hydrogen atom must be directly bonded to highly alternative atom, for example, fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. The unbonded a pair of electrons, the lone pair of electron is presented on the alternativity atom. There is a intramolecular hydrogen bond, which means a hydrogen bond formed between two molecules, that is called intramolecular hydrogen bond. Another one is a intramolecular hydrogen bond, that is a hydrogen bond formed between two different atoms in the same molecules within the molecule, that is called intramolecular hydrogen bond. The intermolecular hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. Bunsen of hydrogen bonding in physical phenomena, the properties of the second period carbohydrates. There is a graph. Why do the H2O, NH3, and HF have abnormally high boiling point? Another question is, explain why the order of boiling point is H2O less than HF less than NH3. So this graph, there is a two questions arising from this chapter. One is why do H2O, NH3 and HF have abnormally high boiling point, and explain why the order of boiling point H2O less than HF and NH3. Explanation of first question is, the nitrogen and oxygen and fluorine are highly alternative atoms. The formation of intramolecular hydrogen bond in their hydrides. Intramolecular hydrogen bond are much stronger than van der Waals forces. More energy is needed to break the hydrogen bond in NH3 and H2O and HF. That is a reason for this compound having high boiling point. The main reason is intramolecular hydrogen bond are much stronger than van der Waals forces. So more energy to needed to break the hydrogen bond in NH3, H2O and HF. The H2O can form two hydrogen bond per molecule. NH3 and HF can form only one hydrogen bond per molecule. So the boiling point of H2O is higher than NH3 and HF. For example, see this tabular column. The number of hydrogen bond available for hydrogen bond formation is 3. Number of lone pair per electron available is 1. The number of hydrogen bond can form the per molecule is 1. Then H2O is number of atoms available for hydrogen bonding formation is 2. Number of lone pair of electrons available is 2. So number of hydrogen bond can form per molecule is 2. But HF is number of hydrogen bond available for hydrogen bond formation is only 1. Lone pair of electrons available for 3. Number of hydrogen bond can form per molecule is only 1. So the H2O is boiling point is higher than NH3 and HF. So H2O greater than HF greater than NH3. Explain why the order of boiling point H2O, HF and NH3 The comparing nitrogen and fluorine, the fluorine is more alternativity. The intermolecular hydrogen bond formed between HF molecules is stronger than NH3. So HF has a higher boiling point than NH3. Okay. This fluorine is more alternativity atoms. That's why it's having a higher boiling point compared to NH3. Importance of hydrogen bonding in physical phenomena. Enthalpy of vaporization. The energy required to vaporize 1 mole of liquid. See this graph. Explain the why the water has a largest enthalpy of vaporization than H2S, H2SE and H2TE. See this graph. Enthalpy of vaporization, the energy is required to vaporization of 1 mole of liquid. Here question is explain why H2O has the largest enthalpy of vaporization than H2S, H2SE and H2TE. Explanation. In H2O there are intermolecular hydrogen bond between molecules. However, in the H2S, H2SE and H2TE, the interaction between the molecules is a dipole-dipole interaction. The strength of hydrogen bond is stronger than dipole-dipole interaction. To break the hydrogen bond, more energy is required. That's why H2O has largest enthalpy change of vaporization. So actually reason is H2S and H2SE and H2TE interaction between the molecule is a dipole-dipole interaction. So strength of hydrogen bond is stronger than dipole-dipole interaction. So to break the hydrogen bond is more energy is required. That's why the water has largest enthalpy changes of the vaporization. Importance of hydrogen bonding in physical phenomena. The boiling point and stability of alcohols. The boiling point of alcohols are higher than thiols because there are intermolecular hydrogen bond between alcohol molecules, but only the dipole-dipole interaction between the molecules of thiols. That is the reason. Okay. This boiling point and stability of alcohol is what is the reason means dipole-dipole interaction is having only thiols, but alcohols having the intramolecular hydrogen bond. So alcohols of low molecular masses are soluble in water because they can form intramolecular hydrogen bond with water molecules. That is the reason the alcohols of low molecular masses are soluble in water because they can form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecules.